everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my Instagram photos.
1, 2, 3, funky.
And I'm so excited to do this video. I've been waiting to do this video because editing is one of my favorite parts of like taking pictures and posting and stuff. It's not even taking the actual pictures, it's literally just like going in and editing the picture and making it fit to my theme and everything like that. And whenever my friends ask me like to edit their photos or like help them with their theme, I get so excited because I don't know, I just love it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys my Instagram. Here I'm trying to start a new theme, like these top 3 pictures. I've been trying to start a new theme, more of like kind of like a neutral theme, because I'm kind of falling out of like having a super structured theme. But you can kind of tell at first, like over here I had kind of like bluish, and then it was like super warm and orange, and then I tried to do a cool theme for a while and I was just not feeling it. And great, it's not loading. Hello. This is before I started, or I knew anything about how to have a theme and how to edit your pictures, and as you can tell, it was literally all over the place. Like every picture looked different, and then it just kind of gets better as you scroll up. So what I used to figure out my theme, I used VSco. So I didn't really want to take the time to create my own theme. That's what I've kind of done now for my Instagram. I kind of took a theme and then like kind of changed it up a little bit. I didn't want to make my own preset, and I didn't want to buy presets because all I would find is like people were selling presets on like Lightroom and stuff, and I didn't care that much to pay for my Instagram theme. So I'll show you guys what I did. Okay, so basically what I did was I looked up VSco theme, like you see here, and I just looked up boring VSco theme. So say whatever kind of theme you're going for. If you're going for cool, if you're going for neutral, if you're going for white, you'll just type that in. And then if you can see here, it will literally tell you exactly what to do on VSco to get this, and to get this kind of theme. So here it tells you exactly what to do. It'll tell you what filter to use, how to change all the different settings to get every picture to look similar. So this is just a super easy way to keep up with your theme, because I know at first I was really confused on how people would like, how every one of their pictures would look similar, and then it would all like flow on their Instagram, and I'd be like, it's just so hard to make every single picture look the same. But once you have like kind of a preset, it makes it so much easier to keep up with. You just put that same preset on every single picture and adjust it a little bit depending on the picture, and all of your pictures will be super cohesive. So let's edit a picture. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go into Facetune, and I know there's like, not controversy, but everyone has like mixed reviews about girls that use Facetune on Instagram, and I think it's totally fine as long as you still look like the same person and you don't look like a completely altered person in real life. Like if your body looks pretty much the same and your face looks pretty much the same, just fine-tuned, then I think it's fine. But what I don't like is people who completely alter their body specifically on Instagram to make it look like that's a real body, and then in real life they look nothing like that. So that's where I don't like it, but I just kind of enhance my features a little bit just to make everything a little smoother. You don't need to Facetune your pictures at all if you don't want to. I just personally like to. So if you don't want to do this, just skip this step. So I have Facetune 2, which is a free one. I'm pretty sure there's another separate one that you can buy. So on Facetune, there's different different tools you can use. Some of them, when it says try, that means that you have to pay for it. But all the ones I use are the free ones. I don't use any of the super complicated ones. I just use the super simple free ones. So what I usually do, I go into retouch. I don't really need to edit my body in this one, so I don't really need to touch anything up. So I'm just gonna do my face. So the first thing usually I'll do is I'll go into conceal, and then I'll conceal like my under eyes, for example. And then I'll conceal like if there's any redness or anything, or any like pimples or something. Let me just do extra here. And then I tone it down. I definitely don't go all the way because that looks crazy, but I do like less than half. just to brighten up, and you can see the difference between my under eyes and everywhere that I concealed. So that's it for the concealer. And then I'll go back into retouch and I'll go into the mattify, because usually a lot of times when I use flash, my face looks super oily and ridiculous even though I don't have oily skin. That's fine. And again, I won't go all the way because I like a little bit of shine, but you can tell the difference there. And then if I'm smiling with my teeth, I'll do this with my teeth, but I'll go into whiten and just whiten my eyeballs, just because it just brightens up the color and it just makes them look better, I think. So just do this a little bit, and then I think we only have one more thing. So all I'll do is go into smooth and just smooth everything out, especially wherever I did the conceal, just so it blends in and you can't tell as much. And then again, I'll do like not as much. So then I'll just save the picture. Oh, let me show you guys before and after. So this is before and this is after. As you can tell, I still look like the same person. I didn't change the size of my nose, my lips, or anything like that. If you want to do that, go right ahead. It's up to you. But personally, I didn't do that. So it just kind of smoothed everything out in the picture and made it look better. So I'll just go ahead and save that. So now I go on to VSco. So on VSco, this is the picture. And then if you go over here, I already have two presets that I made. Either if it was from VSco or I kind of mixed things up and did it myself. But if you see the plus arrow here, you can make your own preset. Or simply just take the one from VSco, do all the changes, and then click the add button, and then it'll save. So that way you don't have to keep looking at it and keep doing it over and over again. You can just click on the preset. So for example, if you change like the exposure or something, and then say if you add a filter or something like that, and then if you click this button, it'll add the changes you made. So then you can just click whichever one you want and you don't have to start over. So I'm usually doing this one. This is the one that I've been doing. Sometimes I'll change the exposure or the contrast. There's a lot you can do here. It becomes really easy once you get one of the VSco presets, because then you know exactly what to do. So you don't have to look through all these filters and different settings, and then it just takes way too long. I like how the filter was, so I'm not really gonna change much. And then I save it. And that's about it, honestly, of what I do. It's really simple. And yeah, that's pretty much how I edit my Instagram photos. I could probably do another video if you guys want, talking about all the different apps I like for like editing pictures and for stories especially too. I can do that if you guys want. I just didn't want to like jumble a bunch of things in this video. I just wanted to be a straightforward short video for you guys. So yeah, that's about it. I did decide I will be posting every Friday, so come back to my channel every Friday for a new video. I haven't picked an exact time because I just haven't decided on a time that's perfect, but for sure every Friday there will be a video. And just let me know what types of videos you guys want to see. I'm about to go on winter break, which is going to be like a month and a half, so just let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm going to have so much free time to do nothing. So yeah. All of my socials and everything will be linked down below. Again, comment down below what you guys want to see or anything you want. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't know why I'm so awkward at doing this. Yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!